fourth. We'll see the Golden State Warriors taking on the Boston Celtics. MP outside. Driving inside. And MP throws it down.
Yes, speeding in there and getting some air time. MP with a solid jam off the drive.
And MP throws it down hard.
Looks like MP's been practicing those in his backyard growing up.
MP outside. Pass to Porzingis. Outside Butler. Boston with a rebound. Now Hauser. Back to MP. Shot clock at 6. Oh, and the dunk by MP.
That is a play that is beyond his years. MP takes the contact and still gets it to fall.
Here's MP. He gets it in there. MP's gotten his second bucket of the game.
Starting to find his rhythm. He's cooking, and he knows it.
Yeah, when he gets engaged this early in the game, it's bad news for the defense. He can roll this start throughout the rest of the game.
Now here's MP. And it's MP with a rebound. And here's Curry for 3. Tatum pulls it in. And here are the Celtics. Here's MP. And MP throws it down hard.
I've got to tell you, the athleticism of MP is really showing off right now.
Pass to Rice. Here's Curry. There's the 3. Connects from downtown.
You don't want to let him get into a rhythm from out there.
And stolen by Green. And here they come. From deep, MP. And the Warriors with another 3.
You can bet MP will make a lot of those over his career.
MP high post. Fires for 3. Warriors with the rebound. Stolen by MP. And we're about 3 minutes into this first quarter. Pass to Keita. Over Porzingis. Here's MP. 5 to shoot. And MP throws it down hard.
Who are you telling, B.A.? The reverse windmill? Come on now. That's just not right.
He got in that zone, and he has the ability to do it. Why not? And he gets it to go. Rice has got 9 points.
Shooting while in rhythm. MP has a good sense for when to take these quick shots.
MP. He takes it in. Rebounded by Butler. The Warriors lead by 4. And MP good for 3. He's got 12.
The all-around game of Butler. He's all about sharing the rock and getting his guys involved.
Oh, there's nothing more fun than putting a big guy on a poster. That is the definition of an aggressive play.
Now here's Porzingis. And the bucket counts. And he is on his way to the line. He'll try to make it a 3-point play. He's getting his first free throw attempt of the game here. That free throw good from Porzingis.
Standing at 7-3. We have never seen a player quite like Kristaps Porzingis. A fantastic shooter, a solid ball handler. What a talent.
Now here's MP. 10 points for him. The Warriors another fast break opportunity here. On the wing, Green. And here's MP from outside. And that comes off the assist by Green.
Yeah, when we talk about MP's unlimited potential, we're referring to nights like this one.
And here's MP from outside. He buries it from 3.
This is just fun. These teams are trading threes back and forth.
This is today's NBA. Hey, we see this kind of exchange more often than not.
They've really built this lead on the back of their perimeter game.
We'll see if they can keep this pace. Not sure they can win it by relying on just the three.
And so it's MP making things happen for Golden State. An insane quarter. No one could stop him. And more NBA action. And so far through one quarter, it's been a lopsided game. We'll see if that changes here in the second. And some stats here, guys. The scoring breakdown for the Warriors.
They've really been dialed in from deep. This is a
Oh, MP! Stunning!
With the way he can fill it up at this age, it's scary to think how good MP might be in a few years.
And the foul called on MP. That's his first foul of the game. And here are the Warriors now. Three-pointer. Oh, MP buries the triple.
MP smart enough to know he doesn't have to get to the rim to be effective.
Pass to Butler. Kicks it out to MP. Stolen by MP. The three. Porzingis grabs the board. The Warriors lead by 6. Now Green. Back to MP. Three-pointer. It doesn't go for him. Here are the Celtics with the ball. They haven't allowed any points in the second quarter. Oh, misses the dunk.
Trying to show off for the fans and give them their money's worth, just couldn't finish.
Here's Green. Nice D from Tatum. And it's Tatum with the ball for the Boston Celtics. Again, MP missing.
And he almost made them regret defending him so loosely.
Outside Butler. The three from Curry. Easy money for Stephen Curry.
such a quick release. As soon as the ball touches his hands, it's gone.
MP outside. Pass to Keita. Back to MP. And he buries that one. Back rim and in. MP's got 20.
He's someone opposing defenses have a hard time game planning for.
Back to MP. Takes the three. And the Warriors with another three.
And just not letting up at all. I mean, you have to love this approach. You want to get the ball to the guys who make plays.
This is when good players really get after it. He can sense that they're reeling, and he's gonna put his foot on the pedal.
MP hits it from the corner.
And the three ball is just another way that MP can hurt you.
And the foul called on MP. That's foul number 2 for him.
Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Quarter number 2 and around 3 minutes gone by. To the middle. And slammed it home and a foul. A chance at another point at the line. It's going to be on MP.
You love how physical Green is willing to get, enduring the foul and finding the bottom of the bucket.
And it's out of bounds. Last touch by Curry.
He had the right idea, just couldn't come up with the swipe.
And deflections, they're a stat that all teams track. They show who is the most active defensively.
Out of bounds. Celtics ball as Boston keeps possession. MP inside. Oh, MP throws it down.
B.A., forget about attempting the long-range three to cut into that lead. Just attack the rim, my man.
Man, that was sweet. It's good.
Assist from
How talented is Butler? I mean, just so adept at carving out some space inside and converting.
Back to MP. Lets it go from deep. And again, Boston with the triple.
Gotta fight harder to get over those screens.
Yeah, as soon as these guys feel contact, they are just disappearing like they're not even there. You got to show some fire and keep defending.
MP scanning the floor. Green gets up and powers it down.
With how much Draymond moves in the offensive end, Green gets a lot of dunk opportunities.
From deep, MP gets the three ball to go. MP's got 31.
The three-point shot has been his weapon of choice this quarter.
Pass to Butler. Takes a three. Boston with a rebound. MP up top. He's got 31.
You can hurt yourself with moves like that.
It's worth it if you can pull it off, though.
Oh, he went full peacock mode there. Like, look, you know what they say. When you got it, you got to flaunt it.
Woo! Defensively, you can't afford to let him get to the rim that easily.
Well, that might be why their deficit is what it is right now.
Yeah, it's going to take better rim protection than that if they're going to climb out of this hole.
Pass to MP. 6 to shoot. Wide open look. No good that time. And the first half comes to a conclusion in a game that's been very close so far. Warriors ahead. They lead by 5. And we'll be right back after halftime for the start of the third quarter. See you in just a bit. And we're halfway through this one. Plenty of basketball left in a game that's been a fairly even one. Tatum with a screen. And here's MP from outside. Knocks down the triple. MP's got 36 points.
Looking like an old hand out there. MP working the two-man game to perfection.
Shakes him. Crafty move. And MP throws it down.
They've really picked up the energy level and have willed themselves back into this game.
And as tired as they might be after fighting to tie it up, they have all the momentum now to finish this comeback.
Curry's shot is off. MP scanning the floor. For the lead. And the Celtics another three.
Yeah, he's in his bag from beyond the arc right now. You see his confidence.
And of course, it helps space the floor, which gives this offense more room to operate.
Kicks it out to MP. To win the run. The slam by MP.
And the defense is going to remember this. They might try to make MP pay for it.
Outside, Brown. Good, and the assist goes to MP. Brown's gotten himself on the board with a three there.
Yeah, these teams are playing with incredible energy.
Yeah, the second half in stark contrast with the first. Coach must have gotten on them a little bit at halftime.
And this kind of six slam is just one of the reasons this team is in charge of this game right now, B.A.
You know, there's an edge the way they play, and a confidence they're not afraid to show. And it's hammered home by Green.
And plays like that one can make the difference in a close game.
And it definitely got the bench on their feet, too.
And you can feel the jolt of energy that he sent through his team. That is a huge boost in a tight game like this.
And here's Brown for three. Warriors trail by 4. MP with it. Now guarded by MP. And the foul called on MP. That's his 4th foul of the contest. Outside Curry. From downtown. Offensive board. Butler right to the heart.
And some extra effort from Butler on the glass. He wasn't going to quit on that possession.
Here's MP. Warriors with the rebound. In transition, here come the Warriors. From deep, MP. Buries it from 3. Rice has got 28 points for the game.
With the deep...
Oh, my goodness! Jaylen Brown takes one out of the rafters. fires.
And that's something that should really get Brown going. Alley-oops like that, that really helped the momentum.
And here's Butler outside. That drops, and it comes off an assist from Curry. 6 lead changes in a game that has a lot of character.
Yeah, both sides stepping up and making big plays.
And the balance. Brown has on these takes, refusing to let the D get the upper hand.
And he'll be shooting his first free throw. And the free throw, no good. MP making his presence felt.
Assisted.
Keeping pace here. That's an excellent move inside.
Pass to MP. Boy, he overdid it there. Too much force on the foul, and he's called for the flagrant one.
Ooh, hard foul. Can't let him get away with that level of contact.
That's a simple call for the officials to make. Everyone knows the league is cracking down on that kind of intimidation tactic.
You know, so far, I'm pretty impressed with MP's attitude. He doesn't seem like a young hothead. He knows he's got a lot of work to do on his game.
Pass to Keita. Oh, persistence pays off as they finally hit a shot. And Boston leads by 2. Butler uses the glass to finish the layup. Butler's got 9.
Just an unselfish play from Curry, always ready to move the ball and his body to help an open shooter.
Neither team has been able to assert its dominance over the other.
Yeah, the struggle is real tonight. 7 lead changes and still in the third quarter.
The 3 from Curry. Keita pulls it in.
And I'm surprised that didn't go down. I mean, I'm sure he is too. I like how assertive MP is down there. No question that he's got the skills to score in the paint.
And here's Curry for 3. Boston with a rebound. Here's MP. Whoa, MP getting out in front on the break.
Woo! His energy is unmatched.
And all of a sudden, that man was just on the other end. Wow.
And so it's the Boston Celtics leading by 6 as we wrap up the quarter. Just pounding the painted area. 3 tense quarters behind us. 1 more to go. Thanks for being with us as we get ready for the 4th. And so Curry will bring it up for the Golden State Warriors. They trail by 6. Pass to Rice. MP is doubled. Right side Curry. Back to MP. 4-3. And it's Jason Tatum with a rebound. Here's Keita. Cash. It's MP picking up the assist.
You can really feel the momentum swinging in their direction.
Yeah, but they can't relax. They've got to keep building on this lead because it is not safe.
MP making the long-range connection.
And this is just typical of him. Always making an impact at crucial moments in the game.
And his team needs every bit of his production if they want to pull this one out. It is neck and neck here in the final period.
Oh, and the dunk by MP.
They're going at it on offense. Neither team backing down.
Man, this has been a fun one, but look, who doesn't love a high-scoring game?
Let's go with a 3. The rebound, Celtics. Here goes MP. And MP throws it down.
Yeah, terrific take by MP. He's just punishing them on the drive.
And here's MP from outside. Sinks the tray. Rice has got 38 points.
That's exactly the kind of shooting you need down the stretch to win games.
Here's MP. Oh, misses the dunk.
Why? Just why? Come on, man. Save that one for practice.
MP is doubled. Knocked loose. Outside, Green. Curry fires. The triple drops.
And their strategy is obvious. Manufacture looks from outside the arc.
With the way they're shooting, there's no need to look for any other shot. You just keep letting it rain.
Got it give him credit for jumping on the ball and making the most at the other end.
Boy, inexcusable at this point of the game. They got to be more composed in these moments.
An important 2 points, not just on the scoreboard, but also for a little bit of momentum.
Shot clock at 5. Let's loose for 3. Hauser outside. MP! No good! Had a chance to end the run there. MP with it. Picked up by Tatum. Now MP. And they double up MP. MP up top. There's a minute 47 left in the fourth quarter of this one. Misses the 3.
He's lost his momentum in a big hurry. Coming off an excellent quarter, now he just can't find the bucket.
Here's MP. Outside Curry. Shoots a 3. Can't get it to go.
He continues to let it fly, but the makes have been few and far between.
And this is exactly who Tatum is, someone who doesn't back down from taking the big shots.
Curry up top. Now Porzingis. Curry. Oh, he stayed with it, but he couldn't get it to fall. Oh, hey, how about that? Oh, he leaves no question.
What a gutsy bucket. MP showing a lot of poise at the right moment.
Brown up top. Takes a 3. Tips it. Oh, he rips it down off the miss.
And there are some big-time points from this young man. MP proving that he's the guy when it's on the line.
Oh, using 2 hands to power it down.
This guy is putting on a clinic for the people.
Yeah, I'm shocked. I can't believe he pulled that off in a real game.
Okay, let me be very, very clear. No matter where he is on the floor, Porzingis is a tough cover.
Both free throws good from Porzingis.
Yeah, just a fruitful trip to the line. He's made this a one-possession game.
And I think we'll see him milk the clock a bit.
Yeah, seems like the heady move right now.
If you give him that kind of separation, oh, he's going to take full advantage.
Outside, Green. Can't hit it.
Oh, he really wanted that triple. Even though he missed, I really like the competitiveness I'm seeing.
Personal foul. First team foul.
And so they choose to intentionally foul.
And second personal foul.
First free throw is good. And that makes it a 7-point lead. So he goes 2 for 2 at the line. And it's an 8-point ball game.
Timeout. Timeout.
Golden State calls timeout. 12 seconds left to play in the fourth. Guys, your thoughts?
Trying to extend this one, but it seems futile.
With timeouts, it's use them or lose them. So why not go down fighting?
Here's Curry. MP. It's good from beyond the arc. In the corner, Tatum. And they go to the intentional foul.
Green. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
He hits the first one. And that increases the lead to 6. And so he drops them both. And it's a 7-point game.
Timeout.
Now a timeout called by Golden State. They're behind by 7. Your thoughts, guys?
Trying to extend this one, but it seems futile.
With timeouts, it's use them or lose them. So why not go down fighting?
So we see Boston get the win here. So Dallas will get the first possession. Irving with it. From deep, MP. Pure from 3-point range.
Quick decision-making by MP. I love how confident he looked taking that shot.
Pass to Shepherd. 3-pointer. The Mavericks pull it in.
And you just can't afford to give up that kind of look very often.
Gets the three to fall. Rice has got 6.
Displaying the range right there. Good to see MP taking and making that kind of shot.
Back to Durant. Always a nice way to start. Makes his first one.
He had his choice of finishing moves there, and you just got to love the fact he went old school with the finger roll.
Here's MP. The rebound by MP. And so it's Durant who brings up the ball for the Rockets. 4-point game. Smith outside. Oh, and the dunk by MP.
Come on, man, so aggressive. MP, that trait will take you a long way in this game.
From deep, MP. Oh, he nails that one. 3 for 4 now.
And that's what they want to do. Get him open looks early.
Inside. Here's Thompson. And he got the whistle on the way up. So he'll be headed to the line for a pair.
Shooting one.
It's going to be on MP.
And what I like about Thompson, along with the high-level athleticism, he has a high-level feel for the game.
All right, guys, what do you think about the offensive approach we've seen so far for the Mavericks?
Well, in today's NBA, the three-point shot is so valuable. They realize this, and that's why they're continuing to drain as many as they can.
Fires the 3. And the Mavericks, another 3.
Yeah, he's in his bag from beyond the arc right now. You see his confidence.
Yeah, I'd be confident too. As a matter of fact, I mean, if you're stacking up threes the way he is, I mean, he's doing all his work from behind the arc.
Out to the wing. Shot clock at 6. Count the basket. Chapman's gotten his second bucket.
And that's what happens when you let MP get positioning inside.
And here's MP from outside. The rebound by MP. Rockets trail by 3. Pass to Durant. To the inside. It's stolen by Lively. And it's out of bounds. The Mavericks able to retain possession here.
Great read to get a hand in there and disrupt the play.
And, you know, even though they didn't come up with the steal, that's still a nice defensive play.
3 points.
He knows he can get his shot anytime he wants, and he also knows he has the green light.
MP up top. And MP throws it down.
Excellent roll by MP. After setting the screen, got in and out of it quick. That's how you run the pick and roll.
Down low. Back to Irving. Pass to Lively. Cash. It's MP picking up the assist.
Just taking it right to the rim, and no one was there to greet him.
Well, this early, they should be showing a lot more energy on defense. It's not there.
Back to MP. The 3 from Thompson. Knocks down the long J. Thompson's got 6.
A confident shot from Amen. I mean, when he trusts his J, Thompson is that much more difficult to check. That's where they'd like all their shots to come from.
Now here's Thompson. 6 points for him.
I know it's early, but you have to wonder if these offenses can keep this up.
High-octane action for sure. Crowd-pleasing already.
From deep, MP. Nails it. He's now 6 for 8 from the floor.
With the way he can fill it up at this age, it's scary to think how good MP might be in a few years.
Here's Shepherd. Another one falls for Houston. 29 seconds left to play in the first quarter. MP outside. Here's the 3. And the rebound goes to the Rockets. Durant looking around. Shepherd, that's good.
And not only can he burn you from deep, Shepherd is also skilled inside. Just great work there.
Ooh, stolen by Smith. He's off on that one. And a good game so far as we conclude the first quarter. The Mavericks on top, up by 2. Let's take a quick break, and then it's on to the second. if you're just joining us, it's been a pretty even game through the first quarter. And before we move on, what do you guys think about what we've seen from the Mavericks?
Well, it seems like they went in looking to do damage from long range, and they faced little resistance.
And you know what? That's what happens when you establish your three-point game early. Puts the defense right up against it.
And that's a defensive lapse. A shooter of his caliber can't be left wide open.
Smith outside. Here's Shepard. Oh, MP with a block.
Strong defense. MP just understands when he should try to go after the block.
Pulls it in from the elbow. That's good on the jumper.
Defenses nowadays try to protect the rim and the three-point line, so the mid-range is usually available.
Has to flag. Irving looking around. Here's Lively. And a slam dunk by Lively.
Climbing the ladder, going upstairs. Lively. He doesn't have to go far to flush it.
To the middle. Smith outside. MP inside. 5 to shoot. And here's Shepard for 3. It's rebounded by Dallas. Here's Flag. There's the drive.
He's been playing great unselfish basketball, really putting the rock in the hands of the right shooters.
He is delivering a lot of room service times tonight. One sweet one after another.
And that one drops.
You see there, Thompson does a good job of sneaking into the lane and finishing.
Oh, a silky 3 from MP.
Great assist that time by Kyrie Irving.
Rockets trail by 8. Smith outside. Pass to Thompson. On the wing, MP. It's stolen by Lively. Here's Flag. Banked it in off the glass. Flag's got 4 points in the quarter.
And trust me, when the D's slow to react, he'll be the first guy to make them pay.
Boy, the defense looks shell-shocked. I mean, they're on the ropes right now, on their heels.
Their offense is looking like a well-oiled machine, getting any look they want.
Boy, this is borderline ridiculous. I mean, every single attempt finding the bottom of the bucket.
Pass to Flag. And here's MP from outside. Sinks it from distance. MP's got 27 points.
And just not letting up at all. I mean, you have to love this approach. You want to get the ball to the guys who make plays.
If it's working, keep working it. That's what I say. Keep the pressure on.
And that one good. Durant's got 6.
This is where KD dips into his bag and comes out smelling good.
And the foul called on MP. That's his first foul of the game.
First team foul.
And in the second quarter, a little under 3.5 minutes played already. And here's MP from outside. Another 3 for Dallas.
They've been the more poised team tonight, and the score reflects that.
Well, I like the way they're playing. A very smart first half. Quality shots, not wasting possessions.
Muscling it home, MP.
Young fella does not let the contact distract or bother him. Business-like finish from MP.
MP scanning the floor. They grab their own miss. It's stolen by MP. It's stolen by Lively. For 3. And MP with the 3.
3 points.
Rice has got 33.
Changing ends quickly, scoring before the defense can set up. They've been doing it all game.
You know, they've been the more up-tempo team, clearly. It's helped them gain the advantage in this one.
Screen by MP. 6 on the shot clock. Work in the interior, MP.
Yeah, this defense looks absolutely helpless trying to stop MP right now. He's having his way out there.
And so MP will bring it up for the Rockets. Trailing by 13. Pass to Durant. Off target from outside. MP outside. And the ball out of play. The Rockets will have it.
That was just a bad pass. There's no other way to describe it. It happens, but that was bad.
And so Ime Udoka decides to call timeout. We might see him looking to make some tweaks to the strategy. MP really making a difference here.
With the perimeter D struggling to stay connected to him, they're getting bombarded.
Here's Smith. MP getting it done for Dallas. Training 5 threes in that quarter. 5. This guy's locked in. More 2K action in just a moment. And with the second half upon us, we'll find out if this game becomes the rout that it's threatening to be. Rockets trail by 13. Pass to Thompson. From behind the arc. Connects from downtown. Thompson's got 11 points.
And this is big for Thompson's confidence. He needs to keep hitting from downtown.
Smith inside. Hasn't gotten one to fall yet. Stripped away. From deep, MP. And the three-pointer goes.
Nice work by MP. He gets to his spot and cashes in.
And so it's Houston with it. It's a 13-point game. The three, Smith. And the Rockets hit again from deep.
This is just fun. These teams are trading threes back and forth.
Nothing like answering back. One team gets 3, you fire 3 of your own. Boom.
And here's MP from outside. They've got a chance here to cut the deficit to within 10. Here's Thompson. Back to MP. Oh, MP with the hammer.
Nice find by Thompson. Now, good to see him sharing the ball like this.
Out left to the wing. Pass to Irving. 6 to shoot. And here's MP from outside. Drops in the 3. Rice has got 39.
Hey, when Irving is creating for others, he's even more difficult to slow down.
The 3 from Thompson. It's rebounded by Dallas. The biggest lead of the game, 15 points. To the paint. Here's Lively. And a slam dunk by Lively.
Attacking the rim with power.
Tremendous finish.
Really piling on the lead with a dunk like that.
To the left side wing. Inside. Boom! He jams it straight down.
Boy, we're going to see lots of those. Washington can really get up. He's got a little main streak in him, too, which I like.
For 3, Smith. Great positioning on the putback. And that's 13 points for Amen Thompson.
Big-time effort on the glass.
And when you have a touch that soft, those tip-ins are easier to make.
But only if you grind hard enough to get yourself in tight before the shot goes up, guys. You've got to get your work done before the shot is attempted.
Back to MP. Fires the 3. Fires in the triple. MP's got 42 in the game.
They're leaning on him heavy, and he's responding. He can carry the load.
To the middle. Here's Lively. Cash. It's MP picking up the assist. And 12 points for Derek Lively.
Soft interior D, and they've exploited it.
Back to Thompson. To the inside. Here's Chapman. It's rebounded by Dallas. MP outside. Out to the right wing. Takes the three. It's rebounded by Chapman. And so MP will bring it up for the Rockets. They trail by 18. Down low. And the basket by MP. Rice has got 44.
Yeah, MP capitalizing on being so close to the hoop.
Here's Thompson. And he drops it in from the low post.
Well, once he gets on a roll, there isn't a lot you can do to slow him down.
Pass to Flag. Back to MP. And it's MP with a rebound. To the inside. Rejected by Lively.
Nice D by Lively there. He can block shots both at the rim and out away from the basket.
To the middle. And a slam dunk by Lively.
Such confidence as a passer. He hits guys in stride. It makes it look easy.
Here's Thompson. And as we conclude the third, pretty much a blowout here. It's been a one-sided affair. Mavericks ahead, running away with this one. All right, we're going to step aside for just a second, but join us right back here for the start of... And there have been two very different performances from these teams today as we get going in quarter number 4. On the wing, MP. Pass to Lively. Outside Irving. Dallas needs to get off a shot. And they turn it over. Shot clock violation as the buzzer sounds. Now Durant. And it's MP with a rebound. Lets it go. Top of the key jumper, no good. Rockets trail by 20. Cuts off the pass. And up the court they come. The Mavericks on the break. And a slam dunk by Lively.
If you're looking for a rim runner, Derek Lively is your guy.
When you're casual with the ball, it can come back to bite you.
Yeah, B.A. Playing loose can help you and hurt you. They really need to tighten it up. Look out below!
You got no chance of defending him right there.
Not that time. He was determined to get those points.
Lively inside. Misses the baby hook. And the Rockets with possession. Yep, that one goes.
You know, inside is where Thompson excels, and the concentration allowing him to finish there.
Lively with the bucket.
And it only makes sense to give him the rock again. He put the team on his back all game.
And no let up in him either, guys. I mean, he wants to continue to expand that lead, and as long as he's the one taking the shots, that lead's going to expand. Leading him right to the basket with a tremendous pass. Really good execution there.
Lively. The rebound by MP. Now here's Durant. Thompson outside. Driving to the basket. Ooh, he leaves no question.
That's unreal. I mean, Thompson, that boy's going to hit his head on the rim one day.
Oh, Lively. Yes, using that window.
Get the ball in close. Get your points that way. That's doing good business.
Here's MP. Thompson in the post. Oh, he misses the layup. The Mavericks lead by 18. Outside MP. Kyrie can't hit it. Just about 3 minutes through the fourth and final quarter here.
2 minutes remaining in the
And it's the Mavericks ball. 22 was their biggest lead. Now MP. Now Lively. Ooh, stolen by Smith. Oh, can't hit the jumper.
I think he's gone completely dry. Nothing is hitting.
And, you know, you can sense his frustration. This is going to be a test of his resolve here.
Now, you have to extend that defense. I mean, you really have to stay connected to him at all times.
Yeah, especially with the score being what it is. I mean, you got to tighten it up on D.
A minute 15 left to play in the fourth quarter. Irving for three. And here's MP. He'll bring it up for the Rockets. The drive by MP. Oh, and the dunk by MP.
Yeah, good, aggressive move by MP. You know, I have a feeling we'll see this a lot in his career.
And that one's good by Durant. .50 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Screen by Lively. To the paint. Stolen by Thompson. It's stolen by MP. Lively inside. Cash. It's MP picking up the assist.
Stepping up and nailing an important shot to put this away.
And, you know, this run shows what kind of attitude this team has. I mean, the win is there. Go get it.
Pass to Lively. Now here's MP. And here's Lively. MP outside. And the foul called on MP. That's foul number 2 for him.
And let's face it, they won't get back in the game with fouls like that.
Looked to me like just a frustration foul. It really kind of sums up the game they're having in general.
And so Dallas takes this one by a big margin. To walk into enemy territory and deliver a performance like that, that says a lot about this squad.